Did you know heavy metals from air pollution, food contaminants, cleaning products, personal care items, and pesticides can accumulate in your body over time and lead to depression, anxiety, and cognitive decline? Unfortunately, we live in a world where harmful substances are everywhere and can easily find their way into our bodies. But luckily, what if we told you that your kitchen holds the key to powerful detoxification? Today, we will reveal the top 10 foods that are true detox powerhouses. These foods go beyond simply nourishing your body, they actively flush harmful toxins. From the surprising superheroes in your pantry to the tasty treats that kickstart your body's natural cleansing processes, these foods will boost your overall health. So stick around to the end because we're not just dropping a list of foods and moving on. We're equipping you with tools to supercharge your energy, revitalize your body, and achieve a true sense of wellness. So, what are the best foods to expel toxins from your body? 1. Cruciferous vegetables and leafy greens. Vegetables are nature's hidden gems to rejuvenate the body. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, cabbage, and Brussels sprouts contain sulfur compounds that support liver function, removing toxins from the body. The liver removes toxins from the body by breaking them into water-soluble substances and expelling them through urine or bile. Besides, these veggies feature fiber, which promotes healthy digestion and eliminates waste. Leafy greens such as spinach, kale, arugula, and Swiss chard offer antioxidants like vitamin C and E, which combat free radicals that can cause cell damage in the body. Moreover, leafy greens are a fantastic source of chlorophyll, a natural pigment that detoxifies the blood by binding with heavy metals and eliminating them. Experts recommend consuming 1 to 2 servings of cruciferous vegetables and leafy greens daily. You can incorporate them into your diet by various means. Steam or sauté cruciferous vegetables for added tenderness, and blend leafy greens into smoothies for a refreshing boost. 2. Lemon. Lemons have a vibrant yellow color and tangy flavor and have long been famous for their cleansing properties. The constituent that makes lemons so powerful is citric acid. This natural compound stimulates the liver to produce enzymes that aid in detoxification and cleanse the body of harmful toxins. Lemons also feature antioxidants like vitamin C, which neutralizes free radicals and protects the body against oxidative stress. Alongside vitamin C, lemons are rich in potassium, magnesium, and folate. These nutrients support healthy immune function, promote proper digestion, and boost mood and cognitive function. Take half a lemon squeezed into a glass of warm water to reap its detoxifying effects. You can consume this concoction first thing in the morning on an empty stomach or throughout the day. 3. Green tea. Green tea has gained popularity for its numerous health benefits over the years, but what sets it apart as the ultimate detoxifier? The secret lies in its high concentration of antioxidants called catechins. These compounds eliminate harmful toxins from the body by neutralizing free radicals. The liver filters toxins from the body, and studies show that green tea can enhance this organ's performance by stimulating the production of certain enzymes to eliminate harmful substances. In addition to its detoxifying properties, green tea features a significant amount of vitamin C, which boosts the immune system and protects against oxidative stress. Research suggests that consuming 1 cup of green tea every day will help reap its maximum detoxifying benefits. However, excessive consumption can lead to caffeine-related side effects like anxiety or insomnia. So opt for decaffeinated or low-caffeine varieties if you're sensitive to stimulants, or limit your intake to earlier parts of the day to ensure a good night's sleep. Drink a cup of this energizing brew and give your body the rejuvenation it deserves. 4. Blueberries. Blueberries, aka nature's candy, are a delicious treat and a powerful detoxifier for the body. These berries harbor antioxidants that remove toxins and harmful substances from the body. The high levels of vitamin C in blueberries aid in glutathione production, a powerful antioxidant that detoxifies the liver. Blueberries help cleanse our bodies from within by promoting healthy liver function. Besides, blueberries are rich in vitamin E, which supports skin health and strengthens the immune system. They also contain high levels of fiber and manganese, aiding digestion and regulating blood sugar levels. Consume 1 cup or 148 grams of fresh or frozen blueberries daily to maximize the benefits of this superfood. You can enjoy them as a standalone snack or incorporate them into your meals by adding them to oatmeal, smoothies, salads, or yogurt for a burst of flavor and nutrition throughout your day. 5. Beets. Beets are vibrant and hearty root vegetables with deep purple or ruby red color. Besides their spirited color and delicious taste, beets have detoxifying properties. They contain betalain, an oxidant that supports the body's natural cleansing process by neutralizing toxins and promoting liver function. These compounds reduce inflammation in the body, another vital aspect of detoxification. They're an excellent source of folate, essential for cell growth and development. Beets also contain high levels of vitamin C, which boosts the immune system. Experts recommend consuming 1 serving of beets per day to detoxify the body. 1 serving is about 1 cup of raw or cooked beets, or around 3 medium-sized beets. Whether roasted into crispy chips or blended into a velvety soup, this humble root vegetable is packed with nutrients. So add some flair to your plate with these versatile wonders from nature. Your body will thank you. 6. Avocado. Avocado, aka alligator pear, is a delicious addition to any meal and has remarkable detoxifying properties. This creamy fruit features fiber that removes toxins from the body and improves digestion. Avocados are rich in antioxidants like vitamin E, neutralizing free radicals and preventing cellular damage. Unlike many other fruits, avocados contain healthy or monosaturated fats that promote proper liver function, a crucial aspect of detoxification. Avocados consist of vitamins K, C, B5, B6, and folate. These nutrients boost immunity and aid cell regeneration. The recommended serving is typically half an avocado daily. This portion provides enough of its valuable nutrients without overloading calories. Remember to choose ripe avocados that yield slightly when gently squeezed. Too hard or too mushy implies it's not at its peak. So go ahead and add some avocado slices to your salads or spread some mashed avocado on your morning toast for a perfect detoxification boost. 7. Garlic. Garlic is a flavorful herb celebrated in many cultures for centuries. Its strong and distinct aroma comes from a compound called allicin, which is released when garlic is crushed or chewed. Allicin has powerful antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties that can cleanse the body of harmful toxins. Garlic stimulates enzymes that flush out chemicals and heavy metals, purifying the system. This pungent bulb is high in sulfur compounds that support liver function and promote glutathione production, the body's master antioxidant. Garlic is a natural antibiotic that inhibits bacteria growth in the body. It is also rich in manganese, selenium, vitamin C, and B6. Vitamin C strengthens the immune system, while B6 contributes to optimal brain function. Manganese enhances energy production and bone health, whereas selenium offers powerful anti-inflammatory benefits. Consuming half a clove of garlic every day will facilitate detoxification. Crushing and chopping garlic activates its detox compounds, so use fresh garlic rather than powdered substitutes. Add garlic to soups, sauces, stir-fries, or munch on raw cloves. 8. Turmeric. Turmeric, aka the golden spice, has been used for thousands of years in Ayurvedic and traditional Chinese medicine. This bright yellow spice comes from the root of the curcuma longa plant and is related to ginger. But what sets turmeric apart from others are its antiviral, antibacterial, and radioprotective properties. Curcumin, the bioactive compound in turmeric, stimulates liver function and aids in removing toxins from the body. Its antioxidant properties also neutralize harmful free radicals that can damage cells and lead to chronic illnesses. On top of that, turmeric is an excellent source of vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that supports immune function. Consume around 1 to 2 teaspoons of powdered turmeric daily to reap its cleansing effects. 9. Chlorella. Chlorella is a green algae that has gained popularity as a potent detoxifying agent. Its unique ability to bind and eliminate heavy metals, such as mercury and lead, makes it an excellent natural solution for cleansing the body. Chlorella contains chlorophyll, a pigment responsible for its vibrant green color. This compound aids in detoxification by promoting the elimination of toxins through the liver. Besides, chlorella is rich in essential vitamins and nutrients that boost health. It features vitamin B12, iron, and antioxidants like beta-carotene and lutein, which support optimal cell function and protect against oxidative stress. This superfood also promotes healthy digestion by stimulating the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. Studies suggest taking about 1.5 teaspoons or 3 grams of chlorella daily to rejuvenate your system. You can add chlorella powder to smoothies or consume it with juice. 10. Chia seeds. Chia seeds have become famous in the health and wellness world, and for good reason. These tiny seeds, derived from the Salvia hispanica plant, feature essential nutrients that can do wonders for your body's detoxification process. Chia seeds detoxify the body through their high fiber content. Fiber acts as a broom that sweeps away toxins and waste materials from the digestive tract, ensuring efficient cleansing. Besides their detoxifying properties, chia seeds are a powerhouse of vitamins and minerals. They are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which support brain health and reduce inflammation. Chia seeds are also abundant in antioxidants that protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. Consume around 1 to 2 tablespoons per day to reap its benefits. You can add chia seeds to smoothies or bake them into healthy snacks like energy bars or cookies. Remember to stay hydrated, as chia seeds absorb liquid quickly and can cause digestive discomfort if consumed with inadequate fluids. These 10 foods are the ultimate solution if you're looking for an effective and delicious way to detox your body. From the mighty vegetables to the zesty lemon, these superfoods are here to save the day and rid your system of all those pesky toxins. So next time you feel like hitting that reset button, skip the expensive juice cleanses and reach for these power-packed options instead. Your body will thank you, and you'll be well on your way to feeling refreshed, rejuvenated, and ready to take on the world. Now, go forth and detoxify with gusto.